Derla, you mentioned to the producer something called Dutch cleaning. I'm curious about it. What is that?
Well, a couple months ago, I heard this lady, I can't remember her name right now, but she wrote something about debt Dutch cleaning. And her goal was that they said that they don't know exactly how old she is, but I understand she's somewhere between 75 and 85. And her goal was to clean and make sure that she organized her home so that she would not have to leave that to her loved ones when she's gone. And I think that's an excellent idea because unfortunately we gather a lot of stuff, memorabilia, souvenirs, because grandma gave you this, and I'm not a pack rat, but I love to save things that people have given me because it has some kind of emotional attachment to it.
Right, so Dutch cleaning, kind of our equivalent of, I don't know, spring cleaning maybe, or something
Yeah, maybe a
along those
little
lines?
bit more because with spring cleaning we can still save back a few things. But what she also suggested is that those things that you intend to leave for your kids or for anyone, you know, give it to them then. And you can see the joy on their face. Now, like I've tried to pass off some things to my kids that I thought they'd enjoy. No, Mom, I don't want it. So.
I get it.